Thank you so much for joining us. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman with an update on our forecast. Strong wind gusts during the late morning through early afternoon for southeast lower Michigan and Metro Detroit. Southwest wind gusts around 40 miles per hour possible, and this is how we look at it. Strong southwest winds will gust to around 40 miles per hour during the late morning through early afternoon. Temperatures will warm into the mid-70s to around 80 degrees by mid-afternoon, well below normal for mid-October. And this is the other second half. A cold front will move through the region mid to late afternoon and bring a chance of showers and the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm in Metro Detroit. Clearing skies by diminishing winds towards the evening hours. And that's how we look at it. I'll have your complete extended forecast coming up next.